Imagine waking up, checking your phone. Bitcoin is crashing, red charts everywhere, panic in the air. The media is screaming, Bitcoin is dead. Retail investors are running, selling everything. But me, I smile, because I love Bitcoin crashes. And today, I'm going to show you why you should too. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe if you're serious about financial freedom. We're just getting started. Bitcoin crashes are not a bug. They're a feature. They transfer wealth from the impatient to the patient. Most people don't get this. They panic. They sell at the worst time. And then, they watch Bitcoin recover. They regret selling. This happens over and over again. History repeats. But smart investors, they don't panic. They buy. I will buy Bitcoin as long as I have cash in my bank. I have a special reserve. I call them my freedom fighters. This money is always on standby, waiting for Bitcoin crashes. When Bitcoin drops, I deploy them. No hesitation, no fear. This is how the rich get richer. They buy when others are scared. Warren Buffett said it best. Be greedy when others are fearful. Let's talk about why Bitcoin crashes. Bitcoin is the future. Why does the price drop so much? Simple. Markets don't go straight up. Nothing does. Even Amazon, Apple, and Tesla crashed 50 to 80% before reaching new highs. Bitcoin, even more volatile. But volatility is the price of admission. In 2011, Bitcoin crashed 94%. It dropped from $32 to $2. People said, Bitcoin is over. They were wrong. A few years later, Bitcoin hit $1,000. In 2013, Bitcoin crashed 80%. It went from $260 to $50. Again, the media said, Bitcoin was a bubble. Fast forward, Bitcoin hit $20,000. 2018, another crash. Bitcoin fell from $20,000 to $3,200. Another 85% drop. Retail investors ran. They called it dead. But those who bought, they saw Bitcoin rise past $60,000. 2021, China banned Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin fell from $64,000 to $30,000. Media panicked. Investors sold. But in months, Bitcoin hit $69,000. Do you see the pattern? Every crash shakes out weak hands. Every crash gives strong hands a chance to accumulate. Michael Saylor calls Bitcoin the most anti-fragile asset in history. It gets attacked, it gets banned, it gets doubted, and it keeps coming back stronger. So when Bitcoin crashes, I don't panic. I don't sell. I deploy my freedom fighters. But most people make mistakes. They wait too long. They try to time the exact bottom. They hesitate. They miss the opportunity. I don't try to time the market. I buy consistently. Dollar cost averaging, every week, every month. No emotions, just execution. Changpeng Zhao, CEO of Binance, said, if you're not willing to own Bitcoin for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. The problem? Most people have no patience. They jump into meme coins. They chase hype. They trade. But real wealth isn't built by gambling. It's built by holding strong assets. Bitcoin is a strong asset. Altcoins, weak. If you're holding altcoins, clear them. Don't let them occupy your capital. Altcoins are distractions. They dilute your freedom fighters. Bitcoin is the real asset. The only digital asset with a fixed supply. The only one with true decentralization. The only one that governments can't print more of. The US printed $8 trillion in just 2 years. That's inflation. That's theft of your wealth. But Bitcoin, 21 million forever. No more. That's financial freedom. That's why I buy when Bitcoin crashes. Because in the long run, what do you want to own? A currency that loses value or an asset that becomes more scarce every day? The choice is obvious. Most people won't make the right choice. They'll panic. They'll sell. They'll regret it. Not me. Not you. Bitcoin crashes are a test of conviction, a test of patience. The weak hands sell, the strong hands buy. So the next time Bitcoin crashes, what will you do? Drop a comment below. Are you buying the dip or are you running in fear? If you're serious about financial freedom, Hit that like button and subscribe. We are building something big here. And remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Make your own decisions. Because in the end, the real question isn't whether Bitcoin will go up again. The real question is, will you be ready when it does?